This is a, all right, so we're doing the liquid test out at the away cell. Everybody heads up and stand up, please. All right, stand up launch. This is Sean Blue and Jace here doing this liquid fuel test. This will be interesting. Get your cameras rolling. Are you, okay. All right, and we want to listen, so everybody kind of keep it down, quiet. And are you ready now? Okay, take it away, Jace.
RSO confirm range is clear. Left stick up. Fill switch up. Starting timer.